Honorable members, since we met last in March 2021, two of our colleagues, Dr. Raghunath Mahapatra and Sri Raju Satav, 10 of our former members, namely Professor N.M. Kamble, Sri Bhagavati Singh, Sri Belihari Babu, Sri Ajit Singh, Sri Matang Sinha, Sri Jitendra Bhai Labshankar Bhatt, Dr. Ramendra Kumar Yadav, Ravi, Sri Jagannath Prasad Pahadia, Srimati Shanti Pahadia, and Sri Dilip Kumar, our popular cine personality, originally known as Yusuf Sarwar Khan, and Sri Milka Singh, the legendary track and field sprinter, have passed away. Dr. Raghunath Patra passed away on the 9th May 2021 at the age of 78 years. Born in March 1943 at Sasan Padia in Puri district of Orissa, in a family of sculptors, Dr. Raghunath Mahapatra had his education at Padia in Puri town of Odisha. An architect and sculptor, Dr. Mahapatra was initiated into sculpting at the tender age of 8 years by his grandfather, a sculptor, who worked with the royal family of Puri for upkeep of Sri Jagannatha temple. Though he did not get any formal training in sculpture, his craftsmanship was such that he was revered as an encyclopedia in the field of sculpture. The uniqueness about his craft was that he never used machines for sculpting, but chose a chisel and hammer only to create several masterpieces. A genius in the world of sculpture, Dr. Mahapatra served as a senior instructor and superintendent in the Handicraft Training and Designing Center, Government of Odisha. He was the recipient of several prestigious awards and in recognition of like Padma Shri in the year 1976, Padma Bhushan in the year 2001, Padma Vibhushan in the year 2013. Dr. Raghunath Mahapatra was a nominated member of this House from July 2018 till his sad demise. In the passing of Dr. Raghunath Mahapatra, the country had lost a legendary craftsman and a sculptor for excellence. Sri Raju Satav passed away on 16th May 2021 at the age of 46 years, very sad. Born in September 1974 in Pune, Maharashtra, Sri Raju Satav was educated at Ferguson College and ILS Law College, Pune. An agriculturist, Sri Satav served as the chairman, Agriculture and Animal Husbandry Milk Development Committee, Jilla Parishad, Hingoli from 2007 to 2009. He started his legislative career as a member of the Maharashtra Legislative Assembly from 2009 to 2014 and went on to serve as a member of 16th Lok Sabha from May 2014 to May 2019. Sri Raju Satav became member of this House on the 3rd April 2020 from the state of Maharashtra. He actively participated in the debates held in this House and emphatically put forth his views of his party and his own on those issues. It is indeed saddening to lose a young colleague in such a short span of time. In the passing of Sri Raju Satav, the country has lost a promising leader and an able parliamentarian. Professor N.M. Kamble passed away on the 3rd of April 2021 at the age of 99 years. Born in October 1921, in Satara district of Maharashtra, Professor Kambleji was educated at the Wadia College and Ferguson College, Pune, and Siddhartha College and Government Law College, Mumbai. An advocate, Professor Kamble strived for the upliftment of backward classes and Buddhists. He also served as Vice Chairman of the National Commission for the Scheduled Caste from May 2007 to May 2010. Professor Kamble authored a book on inferior village servants and also published numerous articles and papers on scheduled caste, tribes and Buddhists. He started his political career as a member of the then Bombay Municipal Corporation in 1957. Professor N.M. Kamble represented the state of Maharashtra in this House for 3 terms from April 74 to 1998. Served as a member of the Maharashtra Legislative Council for 2 terms. held various portfolios as Minister of the Government of Maharashtra. In the passing of Professor Kamble, the country had lost a dedicated social worker and an eminent parliamentarian. Sri Bhagwat Singh Ji passed away on the 4th of April 2021 at the age of 87 years. Born in August 1933 in Lucknow district of Uttar Pradesh, Sri Bhagwati Singh was educated at Lucknow University, Uttar Pradesh. An agriculturist, social worker, Sri Singh actively participated in the farmers' movement since 1953 and involved in various constructive social activities. He endeavored to solve the water problems in the rural areas of Lucknow and strived to inculcate the habit of water harvesting in villages. Sri Bhagwat Singh Ji started his legislative career as a member of Uttar Pradesh Legislative Assembly for 2 terms. He was also a member of the Uttar Pradesh Legislative Council for 2 terms. Sri Bhagwati Singh Ji held various portfolios in the Council of Ministers of the Government of Uttar Pradesh. He was also leader of the House in the Uttar Pradesh Legislative Council in the year 2003. Sri Bhagwati Singh Ji represented the state of Uttar Pradesh in this House from July 2004 to July 2010. In the passing away of Sri Bhagwati Singh, the country has lost a prominent farmers leader and an able administrator and an eminent parliamentarian. Sri Bilhari Babu passed away on 28th April 2021 at the age of 70 years. Born in December 1950 in Azamgarh district of Uttar Pradesh, Sri Bilhari Babu was educated at Public Inter College, Jaunpur, Uttar Pradesh. A social worker, Sri Bilhari Babu conducted several programs of social upliftment and taken care of the welfare of the people for the promotion of equality, harmony and brotherhood in the society. Sri Bilhari Babu represented the state of Uttar Pradesh in this House from April 2006 to June 2009. In the passing of Sri Bilhari Babu, the country has lost a dedicated social worker and an able parliamentarian. Sri Ajay Singh Ji passed away on the 6th of May 2021 at the age of 82 years. Born in February 1939 at Badola village in Meerut district of Uttar Pradesh, Sri Ajay Singh Ji was educated at the Lucknow University, IIT Kharagpur and the Illinois Institute of Technology, Chicago, United States of America. An agriculturist and a computer scientist, Sri Ajay Singh Ji worked assiduously throughout his life, raising the issue of farmers and farming community and economic conditions of India. He was elected to Lok Sabha 7 times and served as a member of the House during the 9th, 10th, 11th, 13th, 14th and 15th Lok Sabha. Sri Ajay Singh Ji served as the minister in different governments and held key portfolios including food, industry, agriculture and civil aviation. Sri Ajay Singh Ji represented the state of Uttar Pradesh in this House from July 1986 to November 1989. In the passing of Sri Ajay Singh, the country has lost a prominent farmers leader, an able administrator and a distinguished parliamentarian. Sri Matang Sinha passed away on the 6th of May 2021 at the age of 67 years. Born in August 1953 in Tinsukia district of Assam, Sri Matang Sinha served in the Council of Ministers as Minister of State in the Minister of Parliament Affairs from 1994 to 1998. Sri Sinha represented the state of Assam in this House from April 92 to April 1998. In the passing away of Sri Matang Singh, the country has lost a good administrator and an able parliamentarian. Sri Jitendra Bhai Ravshankar Bhatt passed away on 7th of May 2021 at the age of 94 years. Born in March 1927 in Surendranagar district of Gujarat, Sri Jitendra Bhai was educated at HL College of Commerce, Ahmedabad. A chartered accountant by profession, Sri Jitendra Bhai Ravshankar Bhatt served as the president of the District Cooperative Union, Surendranagar, from 1973 to 1977. He was also a founder member of the chairman of the Surendranagar Law Society, which runs various education institutions, and of the Surendranagar District Cooperative Milk Union. Sri Bhatt was also the organizer and vice president of the Surendranagar Mercantile Cooperative Bank Limited, opened in the year 1983. Sri Jitendra Bhai Ravshankar Bhatt represented the state of Gujarat in this House from August 1987 to August 1993. In the passing of Sri Jitendra Bhai, the country has lost an educationalist, a pioneer of cooperative movements, and an eminent parliamentarian. Dr. Ramendra Kumar Yadav Ravi passed away on the 14th of May 2021 at the age of 78 years. Born in January 1943 at Chhatra in Madhepura district of Bihar, Dr. Ramendra Kumar was educated at the Patna University, Bihar. An academician and writer, Dr. Ramendra Kumar took active part in social, cultural and political activities right from his student days. He started his academic career as a lecturer and has served as a professor in the university in the Department of Hindi and principal of TP College, Madhepura. Dr. Ramendra Kumar also served as the founder Vice Chancellor of Sri B.N. Mandal University, Madhepura, and as the senator of the Lalit Narayan Mithila University, Darbhanga. He authored many books in Hindi and wrote several articles and poems in leading literary magazines. Dr. Ramendra Kumar started his legislative career as a member of Bihar Legislative Assembly in the year 1981 and served as a member of the Assembly for 2 terms. He also served as a member of the 9th Lok Sabha from 89 to 91. Dr. Ramendra Kumar Yadav, Raviji, represented the state of Bihar in this house for 2 terms in 92 to 98 and again 98 to 2004. In the passing away of Dr. Ramendra Kumar Ravi, the country has lost a prolific writer, eminent academician and an able parliamentarian. Sorry. Sri Jagannath Prasad Pahadia passed away on 19th May 2021 at the age of 89 years. Born in January 1932 at Busawar village in Bharatpur district of Rajasthan, Sri Jagannath Prasad ji was educated at the Agarwal College, Agra, MSJ College, Bharatpur, Maharaja College and Rajasthan University Law College, Jaipur, and the TNB Law College, Bhagalpur. An agriculturist, a social worker, Sri Pahadia ji actively participated in the student movements and organized night schools for illiterate children and adults, working relentlessly for upliftment and empowerment of Dalits, tribals and other socially backward people. He also assisted community development blocks in their development activities in the field of agriculture, cottage industries, panchayat raj, cooperatives and family planning. Sri Pahadia also took part in the movement against Parda and prostitution. He also served as the editor of Adhikar, a weekly of Bharatpur. Sri Pahadia started his legislative career as a member of the 2nd Lok Sabha, went on to serve as a member of the 4th, 5th, 7th Lok Sabha. He also served as a member of Rajasthan Legislative Assembly for 4 terms. Sri Pahadia ji also served as Deputy Minister in the Indian Council of Ministers, portfolios of finance, food, agriculture, community development, cooperation, labour, communication and supply. Sri Pahadia ji served as Chief Minister of Rajasthan from 1980 to 81. He also served as Governor of the state of Bihar 89 to February to 1990 and that of Haryana also. Sri Jagannath Prasad Pahadia ji represented the state of Rajasthan in this house for 2 terms from March 1965, 1966 again and March 1966 to February 1967. In the passing away of Sri Jagannath Prasad Pahadia, country has lost an able administrator, dedicated social worker and a distinguished parliamentarian. Srimati Santi Pahadia passed away on 23rd of May 2021 at the age of 84 years. Born in August 1936 in Savai Madhopur district of Rajasthan, Srimati Santi Pahadia worked assiduously for rural development and upliftment of weaker sections of the society. She took keen interest in adult education, particularly women's education, and raised her voice against child marriage, Parda system and dogmatic traditions. Srimati Santi Pahadia started her legislative career as a member of Rajasthan Legislative Assembly. She represented the state of Rajasthan in this house from April 1984 to April 1990. In the passing of Srimati Santi Pahadia ji, the country has lost a dedicated social worker and a distinguished parliamentarian. Sri Dilip Kumar, whose real name was Yusuf Sarwar Khan, passed away on the 7th of July 2021 at the age of 98 years. Born in December 1922 at Peshawar, in the northwest frontier province of United India, undivided India, Sri Dilip Kumar was educated at the Wilson College and the Khalsa College, Mumbai. As a student, Sri Dilip Kumar excelled in the literary activities and sports. He had an abiding interest in Urdu poetry. He made his debut as an actor in 1944, thus beginning a long and illustrious association with the film industry, which lasted for more than 5 decades, during which he acted in over 65 films, notable ones among Devadas, Naya Daur, Mughal-e Azam, Ram Aur Sham, Ganga, Jamuna, etc. Sri Dilip Kumar was also crowned as a tragedy king of Hindi cinema, as he had the remarkable ability to transform melancholic roles into award-winning performances. A Dayan on Indian film industry and an inspiration to generations of film artists, Sri Dilip Kumarji heralded a new era in film industry at a time when the country was putting behind the shackles of colonial rule. He also served as the Sheriff of Mumbai, Bombay then, in 1980. Sri Dilip Kumarji was the recipient of several prestigious awards in recognition of his performance in films both in India and abroad, including Filmfare Best Actor Award for record 8 times. Dilip Kumar was also awarded Padma Bhushan in the year 1991, Dada Saheb Phalke National Award in the year 1994, and Padma Vibhushan in the year 2015. Sri Yusuf Sarwar Khan alias Dilip Kumarji represented the state of Maharashtra in this house from April 2002 to April 2006. The passing of Sri Yusuf Sarwar Khan alias Dilip Kumar marks the end of an era in film industry, and the country has lost a legendary film artist and an able parliamentarian. Sri Milkha Singh passed away on the 18th of June 2021 at the age of 91 years. Born in November 1929 at Govindpura village in Punjab province of the undivided India, Sri Milkha Singh's early life was marked by great adversity. He was orphaned in the violence that took place during the partition. Undeterred by hardships, Sri Milkha Singh joined the Indian Army and was subsequently selected for special training in athletics by the Army. His competitive progress earned him selection to represent India in 1956 Melbourne Olympics, which provided him the much-needed global exposure, and since then there was no looking back for Milkha Singh. Fondly known as the Flying Sikh in recognition of his sprinting ability and achievement, Sri Singh won gold medals in the 200 meters and 400 meters events in the Asian Games held in Tokyo in 1958. He also won gold medal in the 400 meter event in the 1958 Commonwealth Games, and thus became the first gold medalist at the Commonwealth Games from an independent India. An iconic achievement for Indian athletics, Sri Milkha Singh secured 4th position in the 400 meter finals at the 1960 Rome Olympics, and the national record he set on the day was broken only after 38 years in 1998. In 1962, Sri Singh won gold medal in 400 meter event and took another gold medal as part of 400 into 400 meter relay team at the Asian Games held at Jakarta. He also represented the country in the Tokyo Olympics held in the year 1964. He won and he was awarded the Padma Shri in the field of sports in 1959. Sri Milkha Singh's achievements paved a path for Indian athletes to put a print in the world of sports map. He had been a guiding light for the aspiring athletes and left no chance to motivate and guide them. Sports persons and common people will continue to draw a great deal of inspiration from his life and deeds. In the passing of Sri Milkha Singh Ji, the country has lost a legendary athlete and a great motivator. We deeply mourn the passing of Dr. Raghunath Patra, Sri Rajiv Satov, Professor N.M. Kamble, Sri Bhagwat Singh, Sri Bilhari Babu, Sri Ajit Singh, Sri Matansan, Sri Jitendra Bhai Bhatt, Dr. Ramendra Kumar Yadav, Ravi, Sri Jagannath Prasad Pahadia, Srimati Shanti Pahadia, Sri Dilip Kumar, Sri Milkha Singh. I request the members to raise in their place and observe silence as a mark of respect in the memory of the departed. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Secretary General will convey to the members of the bereaved families our sense of profound sorrow and deep sympathy. As a mark of respect to the memory of Dr. Raghunath Patra and Sri Rajiv Satov, sitting members of the House. The House stands adjourned for 1 hour.